Billy Jack on location, Moana Falls Valley Trail. This, I believe, what I'm looking at right here is Aihualama Stream Valley. The point at the top is the chute. Then you have the straight up and down channel right in front of me. It's very difficult to access this area because of the large amount of katsu that's just growing everywhere up in this canyon. You can see more recent slide areas up in there. It's very difficult to even see this area due to this immense amount of vine. It's almost just like burglar bars when you get back up in there. It's completely taken over the east side of the valley. This area we have in front of us, you can see, is a multi-tiered pit going down much further in the area in front of me right here. Over there we have the pyramid-shaped mountain.
And it was downpour, absolute downpour. It started right about here.
Billy Jack over and out doing recon in the Manoa Valley Stream confluence area.